In this short training video, I will show you where to locate your USDT TRC20 wallet address so you can accept USDT on the Tron network. Typically, sending USDT on the Tron network will save you fees. More experienced crypto investors prefer Tron over Ethereum. First, log into your CoinZoom account, go to Portfolio and locate USDT. Scroll all the way to the right-hand side of the page and click on Receive. A box will appear alerting you to only send the USDT coin to this wallet address. And sending any other digital asset will result in permanent loss. Click I understand. Another box will appear asking you to select which network you want to use to receive your USDT. You can choose either the Tron network or the Ethereum network. In our other training videos, we've used Ethereum, but in this video I am showing you how to retrieve your Tron wallet address for USDT. This is called a TRC20 wallet address. Click on Tron and it's going to give you your USDT TRC20 wallet address. Notice that the wallet address for the Tron network starts with the T. Copy the wallet address and paste it into the wallet you are sending USDT TRC20 from. I hope this video helps you. Keep up the great work.